Hello, beautiful people. Future me. I'm dead tired, so let's get into it. So we will be typing as first. Come on, typing.io, and then we will do practice coding. Maybe I will learn something. Who knows? And then I go sleep probably. Okay, Paralympics it is. So let's go. All right, 3 minutes. That's pretty quick. So let's see the errors. Errors 5%. That's not bad at all. Let's go to the next lesson. Oh, there's that. Oh, there is some delay. I'm typing something, but it's not coming in. Just after some while, that's weird. All right. 6 hours, 7 minutes to typing exercise. Good. 4%. Excellent. All right. We will move on. It's a weekend. Let's do execute program. But in the execute program, I have more exercises, I believe, or more languages I can learn. Come on. Well, let's see what is there. It's kind of slow. Wonder why. And I will play myself some music meanwhile. Okay, so we have a JavaScript, SQL, and TypeScript, and I think I have prepared a thing for that. Close. TypeScript, SQL, Modular.js, go. Blum, 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 blum. And the winner is, that looks like SQL. All right, we'll do SQL. Congratulations to SQL, have been chosen. Code examples. Select from where. All right. Alrighty. Blah blah blah. Insert update. You can type error and it returns array every single time. So we are creating a table of users with two fields, email and name. Both of them are text, not null. We are inserting 4 values in it. Oh, that's the one I'm making typos all the way, all the time. And we are selecting email, so one field from table called users, where name is Amir or Cindy. So we'll get 2 results. And 2 results. The first one will be name. Crap, it will not be name, it will be email. Email, and the first is Amir at example.com. That's the first result, or well, first section result. The result array. Well, you know what I mean. And the second one, email again, but this time we will be getting Cindy, and Cindy's email is Cindy at example.com, like so. Now I will check for typos, but they just fly under the radar for me. I cannot see them, it seems to me. So email spelled well in both cases. Email. Amir, that looks good. Cindy, that looks good as well. At example.com looks good. Cindy at example.com looks good. Hope for the best. Yeah, and we got it. All right, we can move forward. There are 3 lessons, and guess what? I know how to generate random number now. Why I don't see? Oh, here we go. It took a while. My machine is under the load, but I don't know why. I'm not doing some magic or whatever. So, uh, we will have a. So, we will do math random. That will generate numbers between 0 and 1. So we'll not multiply it by 3. That will generate us things between 0 and almost 3. And we will round it up. So we'll do that. That is math. Seal. Here we go. And that will generate us some number. So go. It is a 3. All right. Congratulations to our winner. Number 3 is referencing other tables. Referencing other tables. Until this lesson, every table in the course has been an island. It hasn't related to other tables in real systems that are related to other data. To start with a simple example, people can own cats. Yes, sir. In general purpose programming language like JavaScript, we might represent that as, yeah, sure. So here we have an object that has a name, Amir, and there's another field in the object which is cats, and that contains an array. The cats are stored as part of a person. Many SQL database will allow us to store cats inside people in this way. However, if we use that style, then we give up much of SQL's value. Show me the value. Instead, we'll create 2 separate tables. Each person will have an integer ID. Each cat will have an integer owner ID holding the owner's ID. Remember that executing an insert create and returns empty array. Thank you. So now creating table people, ID name, integer primary key, name, text not null, create table cats, integer not null, name text not null. It does not have the primary key. Okay, so people, we will insert 100, that is the primary key, the ID, and insert to cus, owner ID, and name, and that will be that and that. Okay, so this will return us empty array. Hooray! Now, I'll select ID from people where name is Amir. We've got 100, yes. Now we are select name from cats, where owner ID is 100. Okay, so that will be name, and it will says Mrs. Fluff, Miss Fluff, like so. Yes. And now this is an error because there's no. Oh, it will be empty array because we from this clause from this condition we will get nothing. By we can combine the person and cat queries in JavaScript function. Go, go, go. Yeah, so we are getting person name. That's what we are giving to the function. Then we have some empty array. Now people, is our result of this guy. So that will be, we are selecting ID. So we'll get ID from people where name equals question mark, and question mark is person name. So that will be that. Then for const person of people, so we will be going over each element on the array people. We will execute following thing, and that is a cat. Okay, so we are getting all cats for that person, all our persons in the people array. And falling asleep here. So, and we will do what? We have the person ID, person.id. Yeah, because here lives inside of this will be an object, right? Like in here, object with ID. So person.id will have the ID. So we will get an array, uh, cats, and we take each individual cat and push it on in the array all cat names, and then we will return it. Now we are calling this function with parameter string Amir, and we know that it will return to us a one result. So we are selecting name, so this is a name, and it will be Mrs. Fluff, our favorite. Go. What? Okay, do we have the Amir defined? Yeah, so Amir is there. Amir is 100. Ah, yeah, so we are pushing the cat.name, not the entire cat. So this is now, yeah, like this. Here we go. The mistake I was doing is putting in the result from this, but we are actually getting the cat dot name, not the cat by itself. So that's the one thing I overlooked. So let's continue. One important note about tables that reference each other. We would never create separate tables named Emir cats, Betty cats, etc. Instead, we leave all of the cats in one table. When we need to find a certain person's cat, we let the ID columns guide me. That's part of a more general rule of SQL databases. The application itself never changes the database structure. The application doesn't create or drop tables or change columns. We set the database schema up in advance, then the application creates, updates, and deletes rows. All right. Having only one cats table doesn't limit us. We can select a person's cats by owner ID, even when there are multiple people with different cats. Sure, so first two lines in there, we are creating the table, two tables, people, ID name, cats, owner, name. That looks same to me as it was before. Then Amir owns Mrs. Fluff. Yeah, so we are adding Amir. and cat Mrs. Fluff, or Miss Fluff, is that Miss Fluff? And then we are adding Betty to the people and Kino to the cats. The database holds both Emirs and Betty cats, yes. Selecting by owner ID lets us distinguish between them. So we are selecting name from cats where owner ID is 100. 100 is Emir, that is Mrs. Fluff. Fluff, like so. Come on. Here we go. Write a function to find the names of all toys owned by certain cat. Huh. Okay, so here we have the creation of the cats and toys tables. ID integer primary key and name and cat ID and name. Okay, so we will have a cat name given to our function. And now we will select the ID. The first thing we want to have is cat ID. So we will have const cat names equals, and here we'll have a exec, and here goes our query in here, and we will have a select and we want ID. Okay, so it's not cat names, cat ID. Cat ID object. Here we go. Object with ID. ID. Well, maybe I'm overcomplicated. Select ID from gets where name equals question mark, and the question mark will be get name, like so. Then I'll have a for get const get object of cat object with ID. I already don't like my naming conventions which I set up. Alright, so what we will do, we'll run the query, which is exec to get the to get the toy name for this cat. Right? So we will select. Now we want what? We want Birdo. Birdo is name of the thing, right? Integer cat ID name. So name from toys. R ID equals the question mark, and this one will be co.id, like so. And then we will have a const toy object, and this one we will push to the all toy names. So all toy names push, and we will be pushing in there toy object dot name, like so, and hopefully this will work. then we want return all toy names. So we will say return all toy names. Here we go. And we'll close the function without control. Go! Yeah. All right. No such yeah, so that is a cat ID. So cat ID go no undefined. Okay. Select ID from cats. And that is a cat name. Okay. Where's the problem? So what's the problem? So we are putting their cat name. That is okay. Let's take information in here, person name, and then we are putting person ID. Guns ID, okay. Okay, so first of all, I really don't like these names. So you go by. Those will be cats. You will be cats. This will be cat. Uh, this will be cat ID. And this will be toys. And oh, I need to, because this will return an array, right? So I need to do for const toy of toys, like so, and here I will say toy name. Here we go. So I missed that one little tiny, ginormous, very important thing. All right, finish the lesson. 3 minutes. Can we do in 2 minutes? Do comparing with null looks easy. Let's go. No, not there. I already choose. Go, go, go. Null and long. Go back. What about this? School. Even longer. Go back. Let's do typing. Bam. Typing.io, and we will fill the rest of the time with the typing. Beautiful typing. And slow typing. I already have only 1 minute. Sign improve. You see, my computer is slow. Always slow. Peller moves. Let's do it. Oh, come on. I had such a good run. Oh well. Or, that was funny. Okay, so I have 5% of errors. Yeah, okay. The time says we are done, and done is better than perfect. So, see you next time, beautiful people. Bye.